Hello to Weidelwein, hello to all our Swiss friends. Greetings from Montalcino. Today we are talking about our Brunello di Montalcino Vendemmia, our classic Brunello di Montalcino, which has been bottled for over 70 years here in Col d'Orcia. And it is the wine of which we have a beautiful old vintage selection as well, from 1960s vintages to the latest vintages. Most of them are all in our private cellar. Now, Brunello di Montalcino is of course pure Sangiovese. This is a wine that in Col d'Orcia we still take an extremely classic and traditional approach, which means only botti, very large cask, neutral oak. It's never toasted oak, never small size oak. We want an extremely delicate and subtle effect of the oak on the wine. We want the Sangiovese to be absolute protagonist and the fruit to be the most noticeable aspect in the wine. These are wines that of course have great aging potential as well. So they do have a good tannic presence and great structure, especially when they are young, which will then smoothen out and become rounder and rounder with age. So pure Sangiovese from Montalcino, 36 months in large oak casks. This is our classic Brunello from Col d'Orcia, and cheers from Montalcino.